Kerrie and Spence are still reeling from last night's judging, so they're keen to cash in on one of the safe's biggest prizes.
Hello! Hi. Come on in.
A special masterclass with our 3 esteemed judges and Dr. Nicola Powell, a data scientist for Domain.
Bloody good thing to find in the safe.
Absolutely.
Priceless.
I believe the most invaluable thing in that safe was today's meeting.
Imagine you could get the answers before the test. Well, for Kerrie and Spence, it's a reality. So let the avalanche of information begin.
If people want to buy into St Kilda, they want gritty.
Downsizers looking for that executive apartment.
Style label, bohemian luxe.
They don't want to compromise. They want those high-end finishes.
Clean, contemporary, sophisticated.
So we thought of making this area here a study nook home office.
Can I suggest something in there?
Please do.
A library.
Oh, what a lovely idea.
We did talk about putting a bed head in as well, but worried about closing that up. We've got 800 there at the moment.
That's about as tight as you want to be.
Yeah.
Have you considered maybe instead of a bed head, you do a wallpapered wall?
I should have recorded it. I should have taken the old tape deck down.
You can actually do that on your phone these days.
Oh, can you?
But with all the advice, there was still that one question that's been haunting them since last night's judging.
Because of the Art Deco building, we were wanting to throw a bit of modern Art Deco into the design.
I don't think you need to go deco in this building.
But they said no.
Something I feel very strongly about with all of these apartments is that even though they're in a heritage building, they should be contemporary and they should be luxurious.
So just because the building is heritage on the outside doesn't mean you have to bring it all through the apartment.
I'm really excited to see what you can produce because I can tell you're taking it all on board.
Yeah. But you do realise, don't you, we're going to be watching you extra closely.
That was brilliant.
Money can't buy.
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you and good luck for the week.
And you all, thank you so much.
Thanks for your time. To have that advice, it could make this a game changer.